Day 18 of the magical practice is the magical to-do list. Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you, ready to help you. It will never let you down and it will never let you fail. When you lean more on gratitude, magical things will happen for you. Today's magical practice shows us how to lean more on gratitude and make our life more fulfilling and enriching. You might be facing everyday little small problems or challenges which you don't know how to solve it. There must be a lot of problems or work to be done and you are overwhelmed because the time is flying by. 24 hours just goes away and the work is there piled up. Or you must be at home taking care of the children and you want some time for yourself, but you don't have the means to get the support for you. Or someone has given you some work and you don't know how to resolve it, how to respond to it. You must be involved in some dispute, but you want to get out of it, you want to resolve it, and the situation is getting worse and worse. You are really overwhelmed with all these daily problems. Today's magical practice will help you to come out of these daily situations with ease. When you combine gratitude with the law of attraction, together it makes way for resolving the problem and getting things done for you. All the circumstances, events and people are arranged in such a way that your problem gets resolved easily. You just have to be grateful and think that this work has been done for you and imagine that everything is done for me. Today's practice wants you to make a written list of all the important things which you want to get resolved in your life or you want to get it done. After completing the list, you have to take out 3 important things which you can focus on today. Then you have to simply imagine taking one thing at a time and imagine that that thing or that work has been done for you and the people, circumstances and events are making it possible and getting it done for you. And you're feeling so much gratitude for those people and for the things which you have in your hand. Your work is to be as grateful as you can for the things that is done and imagine it has been done. The law of attraction says like attracts like. So when you focus on the solutions, all the things, all the people and the situations gets attracted and they are made into a situation that everything gets happened and your situation gets resolved. It is done for you. It has been sorted out for you and you're giving massive thanks and feeling grateful as much as you can. So you see friends, gratitude is always there. It was always available, but you just had to discover it for yourself and use it. So now, today, you have come to know about this magical to-do list. You just have to write your important things which you want to get resolved or done and let the magic happen. Remember the day 1 practice, count your blessings, write your 10 blessings which you have received and why you are grateful for it, and at the end of each sentence say thank you, thank you, thank you and feel as grateful as you can for those blessings. Before going to sleep, take the magic rock in your hand or just close your fingers and say thank you for the best thing that has happened today. for staying so calm and listening to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.